Lokhiman English High School along Tini Teacher Day ke talon pon. Duarbogori 26 Kontinensi ke pado Dolomara Japijuri LP School lapen Lokhiman English High School lapen Government School lapen Private School lakato kawe ki Ongdung High School along Lothan bang atuma phan karcho jai me kedeng pon. Bangso kedeng nang kok alam theke lapu hello Lothan bang lake isi kangting kuk pen ke pathe ang mate amekawe pen ke pache cara sonsi nang mando lasi Lothan bang atum o sumara phan lo ke pathe ke isi kathe ang lo lasi Lothan bang atum kachepatuk pik pen ajoksi lo chare o sumar pen Lothan bang atum phan aning kang sam pik pen ajoksi karcho jai me teng pon lo lapen Lothan bang phu bang phia tuma phan Logachari osumar pen ningkang sampen gift sitame chipi pondo lapen Lokhiman English High School along kadokawe lochari osumar aphai lake bang tharopli ando lapen lo kichari osumar pen Lothan bang atum bang phi bang phu atuma phan sitame ningaklong pen kachro pajor pon lapen Lothan bang atum akai si arjonesi kemisen thek gia phan Kisagon ibe gejok kelong jia panstame arna marni long pen hirjume hang pon. Tang te labang so puthak lang pon senang. News Desk Report All India 24/7 News.
So first of all, I would like to say thank you for this our reporter for visiting our Hampur Lokhiman English Higher Secondary. So we are from Hampur Lokhiman English Higher Secondary School, and we are today celebrating 5th of September, a happy Teachers Day. As always, every year we have to we used to celebrate a happy Teachers Day here. So here in Dolomara, we are celebrating our happy Teachers Day, and here almost around 420 students, including all the teachers, are gathered here today. After we have started our program from 9:30 o'clock, and it will end up to 5:30, maybe something around here. So we have around 420 students here, 420 students, including all the teachers and non-teaching staff.
और उन्होंने जब देश ब्रिटिश हुकूमत से हमें आज़ादी मिली थी, तब डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन देश के प्रथम उपराष्ट्रपति वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में चुने गए। तत्पश्चात जो है वह प्रेसिडेंट के रूप में चुना गया, कार्यभार संभाला गया।